2020 Toyota Corolla. Well, here's the thing. When people don't believe me or don't listen to my advice when they get in the car, so originally they asked me what we need to fix this. The car was smashed on this side. I said the whole side suspension for this side, and maybe could be something else. But they got the quick struts for both sides, because this one was bent too in this part, which is junk, but whatever. And I said, what about the rest of the suspension? I'll just put it on, see if something else is bent. Okay, I checked the tie rods. They appear to be okay. The ball joint was bent. Well, just put a new ball joint just to see what else is there. Control arm is bent. And the knuckle, I think something is up with the knuckle. And I think there is some kind of a twist here somewhere. But I can feel there is something in the bearing, so the whole thing was twisted very bad. Plus, when you put the ball joint or tie rod, it doesn't stay. If you tighten it down and then loosen the nut, it doesn't stay in it. So this thing is obviously out of the shape. Okay, and now here's the deal. The engine was ripped out of the car, and I told them most likely you're gonna need the axle. So I fixed and replaced all the transmission mounts, motor mounts. When it was super easy to replace the control arm, now that's gonna be a challenge to get this bolt. But here's the deal. The junkyard sent me the axle like that. That's how axle is supposed to be. That's this part of the axle is good. And guess what we have here? We have solidly locked up outer joint on this axle, and the inner part is different from the other one. So now we need the axle. Well, that's how it is. Yeah, I was thinking it's a ball joint. No, it's an axle. It just got damaged by the car was hit pretty much in the wheel right here. Well, now I have to figure out how to replace the control arm and what to do with the axle.